toss your dirty shoes in my washing machine. Heart, baby, bang it up inside.
Stopped. You tell yourself you're okay. It's too bad your doors can't be locked to keep the monsters away. You check behind the door, there's nothing there no more. You should have stayed in